How to sign up Forex trading account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Forex trading account. If you're interested in getting started with Forex trading but aren't sure how to create an account, this video is for you, so let's dive into the process. Before you sign up for a Forex trading account, the first thing you need to do is choose a reliable Forex broker. Some popular options include IG Markets, Oanda, TD Ameritrade, and eToro, among others. Make sure to do your research on the broker's fees, platform features, customer support, and reliability before making your choice. Now, once you've chosen your broker, simply go to their website and look for the sign up or open account button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, for this example, let's go to Oanda. Go here. Now, simply click on Get Started. Now, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you want to open. Brokers often offer different accounts types such as live trading account, demo trading, or also standard accounts. For beginners, I recommend start by using a demo account to practice before going live. Go to confirm. Now you'll need to fill in your personal details, which includes your country and also your name, date of birth, address, email ID. Also, some brokers might also ask for additional information like your employment status and financial status as part of the regulatory requirements. After that, most brokers will require you to complete a KYC process. This means you'll need to submit identification documents like your passport, national ID, or driver's license, and a proof of address. This is done to ensure your identity and comply with regulatory standards. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to set up a secure password for your trading account. Some brokers might also ask you to set up security questions to protect your account. Now you're almost ready to trade. The next step is to fund your account. And that's it. That's how you simply successfully create your Forex trading account.